You only live once. So if you needed a sign to order something for yourself or whatever, this is it. Go buy it, girl. All right, come on, Tristan, let's get out the car. Child, if you don't stop. Oh God, come on, door. Well, I gotta push you so hard. My car is what? Don't get it dirty, buddy, cause yeah.
That hair just flew off into the wind.
Child, y'all, so we are at Lowe's right now, the home improvement store, not the grocery store. Because they have this little set. It's like a, y'all know how people have like outdoor furniture on their porch and stuff like that. They had this cute little set that we saw in here, I don't know, a month, maybe 2 months ago, I don't know. So I wanted to come in here and look at it because we have a really nice back porch and it's screened in and everything. And I want to put something on it. What?
It would be nice if we get like a sectional to put on.
Yes, that would be fire, and get like a coffee table with some other kind of tables on there. So we're about to go, hold on y'all. Okay, come on. Gotta get my short form content too, y'all. But yes, we're about to go look at it, and I need to figure out a way to get it. I think when I saw it, it was like 700 bucks. Hopefully it's on sale now for about 500, 600. So we're about to see. So y'all, I'm looking at a little set right now. It's a 3-piece for $3.99. They call it a conversation set, but this ain't exactly what I was looking for. Maybe this will look good on the front porch. What you think? The birds chirping sound amazing, but won't this look good on the front porch? Yes. This is really nice. Sit on the porch and rock around. Well, not rock around like a old person. This is nice, but this is for front porch. We need back porch right now, so let me go find it. This is the one I was talking about right here, y'all. The 2 chairs on that side, the table. 1 second. Ooh, now it's on sale. It's on sale.
It says member. It says member only.
Member only.
It's a 4-piece conversation set.
4-piece. Oh, 1, 2, 3, and 4. But yes, y'all, this is the one I was talking about. So they said it was $7.98.
You can join for free today, though. They get it $5.98.
Girl, I just think this would look so cute on my back porch. Like, it would just be real nice. This is really nice also, but I need something to go on the porch. This would be, if I were to get this, this would be like for the backyard, like put it out in the center of the backyard, because our backyard is really cool too, actually. That's cute. But I'm looking for this right now. That would be really nice. Just sit out there, edit some videos and stuff. Yeah. Y'all, they have this thing right here that says join for free today, and then I can save $200. So let's see. I don't know. I'm about to try because I really want this, because I don't want to be like cooped up in the house all the time. And of course these kids acting like they crazy, child. So yeah, y'all, I don't know if y'all heard what I was saying. Ooh, let me crank this car up because it's getting kind of warm out here. But yeah, I don't know. All right, I don't know if y'all heard what I was saying in the store, but originally the price on it was like $7.98. But today they had me create an account. Well, I had myself create an account so I can get a discount, because who in the world don't want a discount? So then it ended up being $5.98. But then when they add the taxes back on it, that was $43. So then it was like $6.41. And I need to figure out how to get this to my house by tomorrow, or at least have it ordered by tomorrow, because I think the promotion goes away tomorrow, the 7th. But yeah, I need to go and get that, because we have a back porch. It's screened in. It's a nice size. Our back porch is like I said, it's screened in. It's like the size of probably some people's living room. And I'm like, we can actually treat that as like an outdoor living room. That's how, I don't know, but I just want to be able to go sit out there, edit some videos, listen to the birds chirp, the wind blow a little bit, and ooh, that would just sound so amazing. Like, y'all know I like to be like outside. I don't know, I just love being outside when it's nice out there. Oh, anytime somebody walk near my car, I got to look, because I will not get got. So I'm finna order that. I know I keep saying, yeah, I ain't about to get nothing else, blah blah blah, so on and so forth, but I feel like I have to get that, and then that way I could just go and walk outside. I don't know if I get tired of sitting in the house. I don't know, I just want to get it because I ain't never had nothing like that before, and I think it'll actually be nice to just be able to sit out there in a comfortable chair, because we got this one little raggedy chair on our back porch right now, and that chair is probably on its last leg, quite literally. So yeah, I'm finna order it. You only live once, so if you need a sign to order something for yourself or whatever, this is it. Go buy it, girl. Now I got another Dr. Pepper. Where did the straw go? Child, on the floor. I really need to quit drinking Dr. Pepper. I saw this girl on TikTok say she Dr. Pepper #1 fan, and I disagree, because it's me. It's definitely me. I'm the only person. Well, me and her probably the only people keeping Dr. Pepper in business for real. But I'm about to order this set. I got to have this, y'all. Like, there have been so many times in my life where I wanted something and I didn't get it because of, I don't even know what reason, to be honest. But like I said, you only live one time. I'm about to order this set because it's gonna look so cute on my porch. Hold on, Lowe's. No, what you doing?
We're gonna deliver it tomorrow.
What do you mean my cart empty? No, it ain't. Didn't I add this to my cart?
No.
I know they lying. Hold on. No. Don't try to take it off so you only gotta give me the discount. No.
Might say the Dr. Pepper.
The first sip of that Dr. Pepper, y'all. Oh my God.
Might say the Dr. Pepper not good.
I did not say that.
Yes.
Oh.
Installation available.
Yeah.
Yes, I want somebody to install it too. Let me see how much that costs. $20 per piece. So that'll be an additional $80. You think we can do this ourselves though?
Thank you, Taya.
Probably good.
What?
Cause I don't want nobody to sit down and fall on the ground. Let me see. I'm finna add this card. The item has a limit of 1 per order. But let y'all tell, it's nothing in my cart.
No more stopping in the court. Forever and forever.
Lowe's, y'all finna stop playing, because no way y'all gonna put that
The card.
put it back in my cart. Where does it say I have more than one? No. Tristan, hold on. I can't even think straight.
Okay.
I know they lying. It's nothing even in my cart. Okay, let me go back, because no. Y'all are not finna play with me. Please stop it. Am I blind? Y'all, why I just saw the cutest little set in Walmart. Yes, I'm in the car again, girl. I'm a stay-at-home mom that don't stay at the house, to sum it up. But why I just saw the cutest little set in Walmart. It was like, the crazy thing is, it was in the kids section, but I can wear some out of kids section. I might have to get like a 14. Nah, I might have to get like the 18 or something. But I'm going back in there to get the outfit. It was a set, and it was like a light blue and white, and it was striped. And I started picturing what I could wear with it. It was shorts, and then it was a long sleeve button up. Yes, I'm going back in there to get that. And I got this little drink right here too. It's a French vanilla high protein milkshake, lactose free, because I self-diagnosed. I'm like, I think I'm lactose intolerant, because every time I have certain things, it just does not agree with my body, which is why I don't have dairy or anything like that. But this is lactose free, so we should be good to go with this. It only has 1 gram of sugar, 100 calories, and yeah, got a bunch of vitamins and stuff in it. So I'm not even gonna lie to y'all though, it don't even taste that good. But I'm like, okay, I'm trying to get better and not just have things that, you know, taste good. Because sometimes if something tastes good, this might sound a little ignorant, but to me, it's hard to find healthy things that taste really good. So if you one of them people that, like, you're on your little health kick or whatever, and you got some suggestions like what I should eat and stuff like that, tell me. Let me know in them comments, because I'm not trying to be walking around this summer with a big bag. That's just not gonna work. But yeah, I think I'm finna go back in here and get this outfit, because I I never buy myself anything, and when I do, it's just like here and there. And life is way too short to be buying yourself stuff here and there. No, I want it all. I could be gone tomorrow. I want everything. Like, I be making sure my kids got everything. Like, when I go somewhere and I see something cute, I always get it for them first, especially Miss Taya, because she can wear stuff from the women's section now, and if I see something real cute, I got to get it. But when it comes to myself, I be hesitating. I be like, I don't know if I should buy it, I don't know, so on and so forth. And I'm going back here to buy it. Y'all gonna see it on a
Wednesday.
not on a Wednesday, Tristan. Child, y'all gonna see it on the what I'm trying to say, y'all gonna see it on the OOTD on a short, because that was way too cute, and I already have in my head what I can wear with. I do need another bag though, so, and I'm a girl that gets bags from Walmart. If it's cute, I'm wearing it. It's gonna be on my body. I don't care. It ain't gotta be Coach, Louis, Prada, Gucci, Birkin. I don't care. If it's cute, I'm putting it on, period. Haven't we all learned from the TikTok stuff? Then people came out and said all this stuff is made from the same thing, in which I ain't never been like one of the people that had to have designer anyway. Like, I see y'all. I saw through all of y'all, okay? I'm gonna get me a little cute bag out of Walmart, and I'm probably gonna wear this fit on probably Mother's Day. And I gotta get myself together too, because I don't know, I don't look too raggedy, do I? I want to go back to my other, I don't, Tristan? Well, thank you. I gotta get myself together for Mother's Day, because that's Sunday. Yeah, I'm going back here to get this. Hey y'all, I'm walking into the house from the garage, but anyway, we just got our special delivery, as Tristan called it, that set that I said I wanted the other day. I did go ahead and order it. Let me lock my car door.
Okay, we got it on the back porch.
Okay, I did go ahead and order it, y'all. I ordered it on Thursday. What am I talking about? Today is Thursday. I ordered it on Tuesday. It just got delivered today. I just told the man, drop it on the porch, because I don't know, Terrence ain't here, and I don't really like people coming into the house. They might think I'm a single woman. Me done walked up in here and got knocked down. Anyway, me and the kids about to attempt to put this together. If it ain't right, Terrence probably gonna laugh at us when he get back, because one time me and Taya tried to put a table together, and child, it was all wrong, but we did our best, so I ain't embarrassed. That's what we got Terrence for. I don't know how long this gonna take, but we gonna see, child. Terrence got all types of tools in the garage, so we can't work it out with one thing, huh? Child, if we can't work it out with one, we gonna find a way, basically. Where there's a will, there's a way. So it's like 12 o'clock. No, it's about 12:30. I'll probably be done with this at 12:30 p.m. tomorrow. This probably gonna take me 24 hours, but
Mommy.
let's see. Oh, and I forgot to tell y'all, Tail was so excited to get this, and honestly, I'm excited too. Like, I just can't wait.
And me too.
You too?
This box was somewhat on my foot.
I just can't wait to sit out here and read a book with a nice iced coffee, or edit my videos and listen to the birds chirp and the wind blow through the trees. I sound so corny, but that's the type of stuff that I like for real. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm so excited. I love home improvement projects. Am I the only one? Might not feel a lot.
It's on 4%.
Yeah, it'll just go until it dries. Good morning. Let me get to the right light. There we go. Good morning, y'all. Y'all hear the birds chirping? Well, not that dog barking. The birds chirping. Listen. Dog, I'm not talking to you. Anyway, the birds chirping. It's not hot out here today. It's going to be like 73. But it feels pretty good with my hoodie on that says leave me alone. Because you know how some days you just want to be left alone. But anyway, I just wanted to show y'all that we finished putting our thing together the other day. I think it was Thursday. So let me show y'all how it looks. Okay, and this is how it turned out, y'all. We got Mr. Tristan sitting over there. So we got the 2 chairs over there. Y'all, I almost broke my foot like 3 times trying to put those chairs together. But anyway, they called that the conversation set. And then we got this over here with this table. I don't know why it looks so small on camera. I mean, it's not the biggest, but anyway, we got that. Oh, excuse that mess over there. Just act like y'all don't see that. Then we put a speaker out here so we can listen to some podcasts and stuff. And then, of course, we have the grill. Y'all want to have a cookout?
Uh-huh.
And we're going to invite our YouTube family. And it's a little dark. Then I got my stepper out here so I can get some steps, you know? Because we trying to get fit this year. As a matter of fact, let me get on it now, y'all. Let me see. Ooh, this lighting is... Oh, here we go. Let me get on it now. Y'all, I really got to get on here a whole lot more because... I don't know. I want to be in shape, but... Whoop, that's not going to come overnight. Oh, and Terrence still don't know we got it. Y'all, I hate I had to lie because... Y'all know how you have some people that like to lie. I'm not exactly one of them. I don't like to lie to people, but I had to lie because I wanted it to be a surprise because he gonna sit out here and do his little thing. And why do I still have my tripod? Y'all, why have I had that tripod sitting out here since Thursday? Because I was trying to get my short form content too. But yes, I love the way it turned out. Now we could just sit out here and we don't have that one little ghetto chair. Let me show y'all this chair. Y'all see this? That's that one little racket chair we had out here. Like, teared and split it on one side. I just can't believe we had that out here. Like, I am so embarrassed. But anyway, we got it together now. So, yeah. Let me know if y'all want to come over here and sit on the porch and talk about something, you know. Or listen to some music. Or listen to the bird chirp. Or listen to a podcast. Or whatever. Yes?
I love the phone system till still.
You love it?
And discounts too.
Me too. But yes, y'all, when I saw this at Lowe's, we saw this like a month and a half ago, and I'm like, ooh, I want it. But I was like, I really ain't trying to add any more debt because don't nobody want to be paying something all the time, especially if it's something that you really don't like have to pay. But it just kept on, like, I just kept on thinking about it and thinking about it and thinking about it. Well, my lips look dry. I'm just like, I gotta get it. So we went to Lowe's the other day, and that was where I messed up at, because when I saw it the first time, I never went back to look at it. But when I went that second time the other day on Tuesday, I was like, I'm finna get it. You only live one time. Now, I'm not saying I want to be paying all this other kind of stuff, spending money on unnecessary things, but I said, I'm about to get this. And it made me happy, so I'm glad I got it. The kids love it. I love it. Pretty sure Terrence gonna love it. He asked me yesterday if I had got it. I'm like, nah, I didn't get it because, you know, we already spent a bunch of money, blah, 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 blah. And he believed it too, because we do spend a bunch of money. So he believed it. So we gonna see when he get here today. It's Saturday now. So we'll see what he thinks of it when he gets here. I already know who's gonna like it though. But y'all, this is probably gonna be the end of this vlog. Thank y'all so much for watching, for supporting my channel, for liking, for comment. Oh, I look a mess too. I'm taking this out of my head today. This look a mess. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching, commenting, subscribing. Like, oh, not my camera about to fall. I'll just hold it. But yes, thank y'all so much for everything that y'all do. Like, what do I have going on? I would not be here if it was not for y'all. Like, I know I'm not monetized yet, but like I said, it's coming. I hit 366 subscribers today. That's good to me. I don't care what nobody else got to say. That's good to me. But I will see y'all in my next video. Oh, and like I said, let me know what y'all want to see, because I just be vlogging and vlogging and vlogging. I'm like, I really don't know what they want to see, but hopefully y'all enjoy my videos. And if y'all can give me any feedback, what y'all think I should do, what y'all think I shouldn't do, then I'm open to constructive criticism. Just make sure it's constructive criticism. You know what I'm saying? But yes, I'm going to see y'all in my next video. Bye.